Oh, say hi, Ernan.
Good morning. Oh, it's 5:30 in the morning. It's so early.
What do you cook, man?
We cook,
Danggit?
stinky fish for breakfast. Yes, stinky fish for breakfast.
That's good. Oh. Ano na? Teresa tayo.
Parang mataas.
Oh, taas?
Yung po konti.
Ha? Hindi, eye level yan.
Ay, level yan. Hey, what are you guys doing tonight? You're making her watch.
Eye level ba?
Hindi, pag natin ka sa akin. Yan.
Oh, okay lang yan. Sakto lang yan.
Sige. Tara.
Ano na? Teresa tayo. Oh.
O, Jerry, kung
Ito yung mga ano. Mga cook for the day.
the fried rice.
Ito yung ulam namin ngayon. Oh, say hi. I'm gonna post this one on YouTube. Yeah. Ask your dad. That's again.
Are you still making a third one, or?
Oh, yeah. What's happening?
I like your hat.
Yeah.
For the camera. That's your spot. My turn, game.
Oh, be careful. No, don't throw, man.
Shot put.
No.
Oh, shot put.
You're gonna break something. There's a lot of car there. Yeah.
Shot put.
Ah. Wala pa tayong pan eh. No. Kaya?
GoPro talaga, oh.
Oh, nakuha to. Ito yung cup nila, Reynald, saka ni Onyong. Oh! Say hi to the video.
Hi, camera.
Action!
Got your butt cheek. I'm telling on you. My mom is telling on you. I don't know.
Johnny, don't sit on it. Johnny, no, get up. Wala ka din dance natin, nakatabilis ka kasi.
Tanghali na. Mamutap tayo ng cherry picking eh.
Drive to Kelowna and you'll be back here by 10. Still a little chilly.
Good, good.
Right then. Oh, I know that thing. I get to meet you all the time. Mandar pa yan?
Oh, mga na to. Eh, naman ako makain na. Walang tigil.
Oh. What are you dipping in there? Is that vinegar?
Hindi, kumain na ako.
Kumain ka na?
Hindi. Kami na. Aga pa naman eh. Kising na.
No, he will.
Yung pusit ba? O yung nanggit? Yeah? Tama, pwede natin dalhin niya sa ano?
Saka yung tok mo.
Bawas ka ng t-shirt, tsaka tanggalin mo yung pants mo.
Getting
Keep the pants on.
warmer now.
Keep the pants on muna, Gab.
I will, okay?
It's nice to lie down here. Is it warm now?
No, yeah.
It's getting warm. Well, no, not really. Still. You like have your t-shirt on already. Look at Anya. I already have your shorts and t-shirt.
My head's so cold.
I think it's probably good to sleep with your tooth, right?
My
I think put
head
a.
is so cold. I woke up because my head is so cold.
Yeah, we should have bought like two.
We're done. Me and Ernan finish early.
Yeah. That doesn't count. That's free breakfast.
No, breakfast. Maybe a few hours in lunch.
Breakfast.
Oh yeah.
I already had two breakfasts.
We were eating breakfast since like 6 in the morning. Come on, man.
Oh, I'm so cold.
Guys, breakfast time. Come on. This is haul everything. Haul everything to the beach.
Yeah, to the beach. We can
You have
go.
to drive there though, right?
Yeah.
Because you can't walk.
And then we can bring our here. We're gonna kayak.
And the food, yeah. Okay, cool. Actually, that'd be cool.
I want to kayak, right? For a change. Canoe.
Yeah, no, yeah. We missed this lunar thing, and man, that would have been fun.
That,
We gotta do something different.
Yeah, I know, right? We do kayak,
Sitting
kayan.
here, right? You know?
Because if we want to kayak, we just go to Nordban, but this one's different, right? Because Nordban is so busy, too crowded, right?
And this is Manny, man.
Yeah, Manny.
Drove all the way here. 3 hours for sit here.
Hello, yeah.
Oh, he's so cute. He's like a baby.
Hungry Deans. Hungry Deans. I'm your sidekick. You like to run.
After mo dyan mag-board na.
Hungry Deans.
Guys, don't let him move around so much. Kasi maging that's his food.
No, Dad. It's not that. He's wrapping my leg.
Yeah, kasi that's why you have to move around.
Kasi kuhain ko na yung ilalim na gusto ko yung
Hati.
tawag dito na gamit.
Pwede pa ako mag-try din guys. Tingin ko
Hmm?
ano yung ano.
And everyone already had their coffee.
Under D. Under D.
You're awake, Dad.
Ate na. Okay na. Nambak karami.
Johnny.
We finished, see? We're gonna go to tennis, bike, and then
Wala pa yan. May hot water na ba?
okay man now. Siyempre, cook.
First
Cook.
customer lang eh.
Buwan naman, no?
Okay naman, buhay pa.
Kami yung mga ano eh, tira-tira na kagabi.
Guys, go there.
Johnny, napasok.
Okay na. We're gonna do, no.
Is there soap?
I'm shooting the camera.
No, this one is,
Are you ready? Dinner on me.
yay, what's happening? Sarap yan ah. Yung kamatis lang. Kamatis. Yeah, there's a kamatis. Hindi mo ni mama.
Malaman ito mga kakuha ng
Kain na kayo. Kain na.
Ano ba yan?
Sometimes you can be low stuff. I need to brush.
Did you take it with you to the washroom?
No! I just on the front door, not inside, okay? Bisa nyo na makarami. Biking, tennis, kayaking, cherry picking. Wow!
Uyos yun. Panagan.
Breakfast, lunch.
Early dinner na lang.
Hindi, bring your own baon mamaya sa sa ano
Bring your own.
to go.
False alarm. Johnny.
Gio!
Tawag ka ng daddy mo. Give me that. Akin na yan. No more guns. Gusto mo ng sausage or tocino?
Yeah, can you turn that off? You put in your shoes properly?
Our tent.
You wear your shoes properly? Brush your teeth? Alam ko mag-ganyan mo susuot.
Hmm?